Today, I'm going to tell you a drink that will double your energy. It is the carrot banana shake. For this, I'm going to take 1 cup of carrots nicely chopped. I've added to the mixer grinder. Before I use the banana, I'm going to first add water to the carrots. Ensure that they're submerged and then nicely grind them into a smooth juice. Ensure that we remove all the hard particles by running it through a sieve. We have pure carrot juice collected in the container now. I will then take the bananas, nicely chop them into small slices like you see in the video, and then add it to the mixer grinder once again. To this, I'm going to add enough water until they submerge and add a few cubes of ice so that we beat the summer heat. I will then top it up with the carrot juice, half a glass of milk which is boiled, and then add a little bit of cardamom powder. I nicely grind this into a smooth juice. Our 100% healthy carrot banana juice is ready to be had.